The 2016 Land Rover Baby Discovery. A while back it was rumored that Land Rover's lineup will undergo some important changes, as 16 new models divided into 3 different categories: Luxury, Range Rover, Leisure, Discovery, Freelander, and Utility, Defender, would make their way into dealers. One of these new models will be a replacement for the existing Land Rover Freelander, which is nicknamed the Baby Discovery. Rumors suggest that the new model will most likely drop the Freelander name and will take some design cues from the current Evoque to help improve sales and give the SUV a modern look. The new Baby Discovery, internally known as the L550, will be based on a modified Evoque platform. It will be larger when compared to the current Freelander, and it will be part of the future Discovery family. Judging by its placement and Land Rover's naming system, this could carry the Discovery Sport name. The new model is expected to be unveiled in 2016 in both 5-seat and 7-seat versions. Click past the jump to read more about the 2015 Land Rover Baby Discovery. Spy shots. January 2013 first sighting. February 11, 2014 Baby Discovery begins winter testing. The prototype caught testing today is heavily camouflaged and it looks to be just a mule that has little in common with the looks of the actual Baby Discovery. However, you should expect something little larger than the current Freelander, with some design elements taken from the Evoque. Competitors. Audi Q5. By the time Land Rover releases its new Baby Discovery, Audi will also release the new generation Q5. Until this is made official, however, the current Q5 remains a strong competitor. The model is offered with a choice of 2 engines, a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that packs 220 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, and a 3.0-liter V6 that makes 272 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. BMW X3. Though we are not sure when a new generation Q5 will arrive, it is pretty clear that a new generation X3 is still years away. However, a revision should be unveiled sometime this year. Most of the updates be visual and will include a new front bumper with new air intakes and a grille placed more upright as on the current version.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.